Today we talk about how can you find discovery on your CiCi app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do so to find your discover. So you just go down here. You click here on discover down here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here, and here can you add this spot here in this list. Just click on this sign, then like you see it's going to add with you here like you see here. So then here can you select if you want to select for future read or education here, or games and animes on characters here, or work here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.